this is my regular desktop. I will change this desktop into something amazing that will look straight out of a hacker's movie, and it will take only a few minutes. So let me show you how you can access. For that, you have to open your browser. And here you have to search for edX UI. And you have to open this GitHub link here. Don't open any other link, it may contain virus. GitHub is a trustworthy website, that's why I am downloading from here. Scroll down and you will find the release section. Here you have to click on this. After clicking on this, you have to come down at the end and you have to search for the setup file for your operating system. Suppose mine is Windows Explorer. You can have Linux or Mac OS. So I am downloading for Windows x64. So this one is for 32 and this one is for 64. So I have already downloaded it. Or you have to just click on this and it will start downloading automatically. Let me show you. So as you can see, this is my setup file here. This is my setup file here. What you have to do is just double click on this. It will ask you, this is a setup. So it's like a regular setup. You have to select this option, only for me. Next. And it will ask you for the destination folder. It will start installation. So again you have to just click on install. See, as the installation is completed and you have to check this run edx UI. As soon as you click on finish button, it will start running and you will see an amazing desktop UI, just like in the movies Hackers. So are you ready for it? Let's do it. So I am just clicking on finish. As you can see, what an amazing UI it has given to us, and it definitely feels like a pro hacker. So the main advantage of this is, if you really like hacking and if you have knowledge of command line, you can directly access your files from here. You can directly access your file from here if you know how to use command prompt. Let me show you. Before that, so this is the keypad. When you type something on your keyboard, it will show here also, and it will type here. Then here is the time. Then here it is showing time, the uptime, date, power, your processes which are running in the background, the memory, a beautiful world view endpoint, your network traffic, your IP address as well. And here you can, if you don't know how to use the command line, you can just double click here and use the file. And this comes with an amazing sound effect. I really like the sound it is producing when I am clicking on something. See, when so as you have as you have seen, this is an amazing UI for someone who loves hacking, and you can use it as you want. And now I am using this UI, but how can I exit this application? As we all know that it is .exe, so just click on the Windows key on your keyboard and it will open this option. Here you have to just close this edex UI setup, just like a game, and see the setup is closed. So as you've seen, I have so this was all